Hey crafty friends, welcome back to RaniCrafts DIY. Today we're making the cuttest little notebook ever. And guess what? You only need one sheet of paper. Can you believe something this adorable is that easy to make? Stick around and see it come to life. And hey, before we jump in, do you love cute, quick, and clever crafts? Then hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your craft-loving friends. Let's make something awesome together! And ta-da! Our tiny notebook is ready. Isn't it just the cuttest little thing? What would you use this mini notebook for? Let me know in the comments. If you had fun crafting with me, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who loves these as much as you do. Thanks for watching RaniCrafts DIY. See you in the next crafty adventure.